Is it really possible to fit a massive 10,000 milliampere-hour battery into a phone as thin as Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra? That's exactly what's being tested right now, and if things go well, this could become reality as early as next year. While it might sound like a far-fetched idea, battery tech is moving fast, and some brands are pushing it way further than we expected. Right now, 7,500 milliampere-hour batteries are slowly becoming more common, but this upcoming phone is looking to take things several steps further. The device, which hasn't been officially named yet, is reportedly going through early testing stages. What makes this phone interesting isn't just the huge battery, but the fact that it stays slim, possibly under 8.5 millimeters, which is impressive considering its size. The inspiration behind this shift seems to come from companies trying to improve the performance of silicon batteries. Recently, Honor launched a phone with an 8,000 milliampere-hour battery and then followed it up with another model that has 8,300 milliampere hours. So this upcoming phone with a 10,000 milliampere-hour capacity is not just some wild idea, it's the next logical step. And when you look at how far behind brands like Apple and Samsung are in this area, it really makes you wonder why they're not pushing battery life harder. For example, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which was just announced, still carries the same 4,400 milliampere-hour battery as the Fold 6. Sure, it's decent and should perform well even after thousands of charging cycles, but in terms of raw battery capacity, it's not even close to what these newer mid-range devices are offering. Now, it's worth pointing out that not all big batteries last longer in real use. Even if a phone has a huge 10,000 milliampere-hour battery, how long it lasts will still depend on how well the software and hardware manage power. Phones like the iPhone 16, Pixel 9, and Galaxy S25 may have smaller batteries, but they often offer better long-term efficiency. That's partly because companies like Samsung build their phones to last longer, with years of software updates and reliable performance over time. In contrast, many Chinese brands, although aggressive with specs like battery size, often expect users to upgrade more frequently. That being said, Honor's recent release, the Magic V5 Foldable, might be an exception. It's set to get software updates for up to 7 years, which is more than what some major flagships offer. So, if you're someone who changes phones every couple of years, the idea of a slim phone with a 10,000 milliampere-hour battery might be perfect for you. Especially now as Apple and Samsung seem more focused on sleek designs like the iPhone 17 Air and Galaxy S25 Edge, which often sacrifice battery capacity just to be thinner and lighter. But what if you could have both long battery life and a thin design? That's what this unnamed phone promises. It's still in testing, so nothing is confirmed yet, but the fact that it's even being tried shows how much the industry is shifting. Big battery doesn't have to mean bulky anymore. If this becomes a trend, we might finally stop carrying power banks everywhere. Let us know in the comments, would you trade your current phone for something with a much bigger battery, even if it's from a lesser-known brand? And if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more updates like this.